Hi everybody, welcome to Details Uncovered. I'm so excited to be here today because this is our first look at the new Strasburg facility. I'm here with Wyman Miller, Director of Distribution for us. So can you just tell us a little bit about this because it's huge?
Yes, it is huge, and really to get a good vantage point is if you go up on the mezzanine and just look out over it and you see this sea of product. I believe we've got almost more than twice the amount of square feet here than what we did at Walnut Creek. So there is some room to move around. When I look down through here for guys to actually maneuver back and forth, where before there was just obstacles all the way down through there.
So what does this huge expansion mean, like long term for ProVia? What can we do with this?
Some of the things that I see that are advantage, even just for the logistics part of it, the fact that we are all in one little area over here and we can quickly get together, we can interact with each other, and very soon everybody knows what's going on and we can make decisions based on that. The other thing that's exciting is the fact that we have space for our trailers and tractors. I believe at Walnut Creek we had 16 docks. Here we have number 23. So we have most certainly more docks. Here our trailers, we're a mile away from being able to get them repaired. And so if there's something wrong, we're not having to go a half hour up the road to Strasburg. We are in Strasburg. So that is, we love it.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yeah, so from the communication standpoint and even the repair standpoint, like
Yes.
it's just so much more efficient, it sounds
Absolutely.
like. So that's
Absolutely.
gonna be great for ProVia employees, customers, everybody involved,
Yes.
right?